In this chapter, students will continue to grow their understanding for area and perimeter. In third grade, students were introduced to area and perimeter. Area is defined as the amount of surface within a two-dimensional figure. Perimeter is the boundary of a two-dimensional shape. Students experienced area by tiling a region and counting the iterations of square tiles needed to fill the area with no gaps or overlaps. Students found the area of this rectangle to be 9 units by laying out tiles and counting each tile. Additionally, students related area to their work with the distributive property. For example, here is a 6x4 array. Students can use the distributive property to break apart large arrays into 2 smaller arrays for easier computation. This 6x4 array can be broken down into a 6x2 array plus a 6x2 array. Students also learned to identify perimeter by counting lengths around a shape. Then they calculated perimeter by using sides labeled with numbers. This rectangle has a perimeter of 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. Which equals 26 as the perimeter. The relationship between area and perimeter was discovered as students explored problem solving with both attributes. Fourth graders extend their understanding of these attributes by constructing an equation to represent a given situation for area and perimeter. Let's use this rectangle to create a situation equation. Perimeter is the distance around this shape. The opposite sides of rectangles have equal lengths, so the side opposite 42 inches is also 42 inches, and the side opposite 29 inches is also 29 inches. Now the sides can be added together to find the total distance around the rectangle. 42 inches plus 29 inches plus 42 inches plus 29 inches equals the perimeter. This equation can be simplified by combining like terms. There are 2 sets of 42-inch sides and 2 sets of 29-inch sides. This can be written as 2 times 42 inches in parentheses plus 2 times 29 inches in parentheses equals the perimeter. Both equations find the perimeter. There is one more way to write the equation. Both 42 inches and 29 inches are doubled, so the 2 can be written like this. 2 times 42 plus 29 inches in parentheses equals the perimeter. This equation uses the distributive property. In this chapter, students will continue to grow their understanding for area and perimeter. Students will use their knowledge of shape attributes to develop the equations to match situations, instead of simply regurgitating a general formula. They need to use reasoning to develop the situation equations.